Let's recall what happened during set number 1 wherein dito mas naging madikit yung mga madikitan yung mga ating laro eh. Makita natin yung side din ng Caloocan, sila actually yung in advantage during set number 1 pero coming from behind, nanalo pa dito ang Team San Juan.
Tama ka dyan, and I think the moment that Coach Lea pinalitan si Janet Serafica ni Dayan Ticar, that's the start kung saan nagkaroon ng magandang momentum dito yung San Juan and distributing the ball really well here. Pati Ronde nakita natin as well as Liet Mabayad and of course Veronas on the opposite doing damage here for San Juan, and for Caloocan yung timing dahil ng errors nila really happened during the latter part of the set.
Pero Jong, pagdating ng set number 2, mas naging consistent dito yung performance ng San Juan City Go for Gold. Kung saan, mas makikita mo na mas gigil at gutom sila na kunin itong kanilang ikalawang panalo.
Tama ka dyan. Well, actually on the second set, it is San Juan who gave 3 points dito sa Caloocan, but Caloocan failed to take advantage on that 3 points. And again, yung mga errors talaga nila is very untimely na nangyayari during the latter part of the set, and this is where we see Pati Urinda in the combo together with May Madulid really works for San Juan, especially when Tika recognizing yung hot hands na si Urindain at Madulid, and there, second set, non-stop na ang San Juan dito.
Pagdating dito ng set number 3, gusto na talaga tapusin dito ng Team San Juan City, and mas nakita natin itong si Dayan Ticar maximizing all of her attackers, especially itong performance din nila Led, ni May as well as ni Pat.
On this third set, San Juan really showing so much mastery here against Caloocan. They move as if they are a well-oiled machine. Maganda yung setting ni Ticar, allowing the middle, the opposite, even from the outside leaders to really look good and score a point here. Kita na natin, this is a sweet revenge here for San Juan. 3-set win against Caloocan.
But let's also acknowledge yung naging performance ni Nicole Laguna from the bench, just adding more spark here on the side of Team San Juan City, and medyo nahirapan na nga magkaroon ng first ball at mas naging madami ang naging errors nitong Team Caloocan pagdating ng set 3. Kaya final scores natin 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14. 26-24, 26-24, 25-14.